Hi everyone, I found this when I went away for a few days and in the shop, so I thought I'd buy it. I like cubes and stuff. So this is a cuboid and I found it fascinating, interesting. I sat down for about 3/4 of an hour messing about with it to see if I can solve it, and I did. How I did it, I have no idea, but I solved it. So I looked for a easy way of solving this cuboid. I'm not looking for speed solving, just the easy way of solving it, making sure that we get it solved. And I thought I'll try to do the least algorithms as I possibly can. Anyway, so what I've decided to do is solve the middle layer. As you can see, the middle layer is pretty easy to solve. You just twist and turn and it just solves easily. So all the middle layer is done. Then I thought I'll find one of these corner pieces that will fit with the middle layer by turning it around. Here we are. This one fits nicely. So if I put this on my right hand corner here, then I know that this end is a white end because of this white piece here. So I'm looking for pink, blue and white on the top here. Here we are. Pink, blue and white is there. So if I move it to this corner here, and as you can see that all the pinks are lined up here. So I'm basically moving this to this corner here, and it's just left L, and then moving that there, so it's U2 and then L back again. So here we have the pink solved here, the green, the white and the blue is matching up here. So if we turn it around like this, you can see that these two are fine. If I try to then use this one here, my corner piece, and put a piece here, it'll be blue, orange and white. Blue, orange and white is here already, which is good. It's matching up like this, which is good. So then all I got to do is L, U2 and L again. So there you go, we've got two pieces matching up now. And fortunately for me, I got the last piece matching up as well, which I didn't want, but it's matching up. So I'm going to try and see if I can take the last piece out, because I don't want to match the last piece up, because you're not going to always get it matched up, are you really? So I'll just come back to you in a minute when I mess about with this to make sure the last piece doesn't match up. Okay then, so here we are. We have three corner pieces matching up here, and the one is not matching. So that's what I wanted to get to. And this time what you do is you put that corner piece which is not matched onto your right side here. And you find a piece that's supposed to match here, which is orange, green and white. It's the only one there. You leave that on that side there. And then you go R, U, R, and that doesn't match it. But what you do, then you move this corner piece, white piece, there again, as you can see. Then you go R, then it's, sorry, that last one was U prime, R. It's all these matches, and then you bring it down. So as you can see, all these are matching. So yes, U prime, the last one was, sorry about that. So once I solved that, then trying to find pieces matching here. Well, I have found one piece, but I wonder if I can find two pieces. If I put that there, it'll good. You can, if I find two pieces which are matched, which is what I want to do. Now this algorithm is a long one, and it's a good one because it will solve the cube, because it just moves these two pieces around, doesn't touch the rest of it. So it's R, U prime, R, U prime, then D, then you go R, U prime, R, U, and R, and then just D, and you got it matching, solved. That's solved now. That's what it is now. So I'm going to try and find where there's only one piece matching here. if I can find that, see what we can do with that. Okay, I was about to post the video and I was messing about with my cube because I couldn't get to mismatch up here. Messing about with my cube and I've done it somehow. I don't know how I did it. Basically, this corner piece matches, as you can see, right? And then this corner piece matches, but these two are out. So obviously you can get to a stage where things do not match. So I'm just going to do my move, which I explained earlier, and change this one, or should I say change 2 to see which way it would go. So if I take any corner, it doesn't matter. So if I go R, U, R, U prime, R, U prime, D, R, U prime, R, U, R. Let's see where we are with this now. So, see if 2 of them are matching. Yes, so 2 of them do match. So as you can see, just you'll have to do the same move twice, basically, and you can get 2 matching. If you do get crisscross there. So it's R, U prime, R, U prime, D, R, U prime, R, U, R, and then D. So that's it. That's the best I can do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. If you like this, thumbs up, give us a comment. And I'm sure there are other ways of doing this keyboard. I'm sure there are better ways, even maybe. So thank you for watching. Enjoy.